What if I told you that Google could do more than just find websites? Because with the right search tricks, you can uncover hidden pages, track down sensitive files, spot vulnerabilities, and even explore online databases, all by simply using Google without any special tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how hackers, security professionals, and even everyday users leverage Google's power to dig deeper into the web. You'll be surprised at what you can find just by using simple Google search commands. So let's just jump in and see what secrets Google has been hiding all along. Alright, first we have the site operator, which is a powerful tool that lets you limit your search to a specific website. For example, if you want to see everything that Google has indexed from Harvard's website, you can use something like site followed by harvard.edu. And the best part about all of this is that you can combine these operators with other operators to refine your search even further. For example, to find admin login pages, you can use something like site harvard.edu and then the in URL operator followed by admin. This will search for pages from harvard.edu that have admin in their URL. The in title operator helps you find pages that contain specific words in their title. This is especially great for locating things like login portals or error pages. For example, in title index of can reveal open directories which might be otherwise unsecured. Similarly, if you want to find a login page on a specific website, you can try something like in title login site facebook.com. This specific example will return pages from facebook.com that have login in the title. The in URL is a great operator for searching for specific words within the URL of a page. It's really useful for finding admin panels, login forms, or even other sensitive pages that might be hidden from plain view. For example, if you search for in URL backup, it will return pages with backup in the URL, which could then lead you to backup files stored online. And similarly, if you search for in URL password, this could help you uncover pages that mention or expose other password-related information. With the in-text operator, you can search for specific words within a page's content. This is really useful for finding exposed credentials or other sensitive information. For example, in-text confidential in-text report could uncover pages containing confidential reports, and similarly, in-text username and in-text password might expose unsecured login details on certain pages. The all in title operator works like in title, but this one just ensures that all of the specified words must appear in the title. This is really perfect for when you want to refine your search even further. For example, searching for all in title security breach report will return pages that have both security and breach in their title, which could help you find specific reports or other keywords in the title. The all-in URL operator works similarly to in URL, but this one allows you to search for multiple specific words within a URL. This makes it useful when you need to locate pages with a combination of terms in their URL. For example, searching all-in URL admin login will return results where both admin and login appear in the URL, which could help you find login pages specifically for administrators. The all-in-text operator works like in-text, but this ensures that all of the specified words are present in the page's content. For example, if you're searching for sensitive internal documents, you can use something like all-in-text confidential internal, which will find pages containing both confidential and internal in the text, which might then point to sensitive files or documents. Placing a phrase inside quotation marks forces Google to search for that exact phrase. This is really useful when you're looking for very specific content. For example, if you're searching for a login page, you could use admin login in quotation marks to make sure only pages with the exact phrase admin login appear in the search results. The minus sign lets you exclude certain terms from your search. For example, site splunk.com minus in URL blog will show all pages from splunk.com except the ones with blog in their URL. This is really useful if you want to exclude irrelevant results. The asterisk acts as a placeholder for any word or phrase. This is helpful when you're looking for variations of a term. For example, password asterisk username will return results where password and username are in the same context but could appear with different words in between, like password reset username. The or the pipe symbol allows you to search for either of two terms. For example, if you're looking for pages that contain either admin or login, you can use something like admin or login, and this search will return results that could include either of these terms. And this way you won't have to run two separate searches for them. The around is the proximity search, and this lets you search for two words that are close to each other within a specific range. For example, if you search for password around 5 and then followed by email, Google will return results where the words password and email appear within 5 words of each other. The before and after operators allow you to filter search results based on a specific date range. For example, if you search for site reddit.com before 2022, you'll only see pages that were indexed before 2022. And similarly, using site reddit.com after 2020 will only show you pages that were indexed after 2020. If you need to quickly look up the definition of a word, then the define operator is your must-have tool. This lets you get instant definitions directly from trusted sources. For example, if you search for define followed by malware, this will return a direct definition of the keyword, which is often provided by dictionaries or some other trusted educational websites. The file type operator is a useful tool for searching specific types of files on the web. This allows you to narrow your search results to just the file format you need. For example, if you're looking for PDF documents from a specific website, you could use something like file type followed by PDF and then cite harvard.edu. This specific example would return only PDF files hosted on harvard.edu, which could make it easy to locate any content in a specific format. ext is essentially shorthand for the file type operator. This functions in the exact same way, which allows you to search for specific types of files across the web, but this is just more convenient to type. For example, if you search for ext followed by xls and then the keyword password, Google will return results that could include Excel files containing the word password. The in-anchor is a helpful tool that allows you to search specifically for keywords within anchor text, which is the clickable text of a hyperlink. This can be really valuable when you're looking to find certain links or resources that are linked with specific keywords. For example, if you search for in-anchor followed by download, Google will return results that show links containing the word download. Alright, so that wraps up this video, and now you've seen how Google is more than just a simple search engine, and also how powerful it can be when used with these simple search techniques. Of course, you can use these techniques to unlock a whole new side of the web, but just remember that while these search techniques are incredibly useful, always ensure you're using them ethically and responsibly.